Hey guys, it's Eric at Prestige. I have in front of me another 427 small block Ford. This is a really beautiful engine. There's a lot of customization in this engine. It gives you a good idea of what we're able to do here at Prestige Motorsports. This is our 520 horsepower version. It's based off the 351 Windsor. It's a stock 351 Windsor block. It's a roller block, meaning it has a hydraulic roller camshaft in it, hydraulic roller lifters, the rotating kit. This is an all forged rotating assembly. So a forged crankshaft, H-beam rod, and a forged piston. Extra capacity oil pan down here. This is a front sump version. We can also do a rear sump just depending on what you're putting the engine into. On top we have a set of AFR CNC ported cylinder heads. This is a 195cc version. Again, this is our 520 horsepower package. The AFR head is an extremely good head. It allows us to get a little bit more horsepower out of it, even with less camshaft than our 500 version. So this is definitely our most popular street performance engine that we do. On top you can see the fuel delivery system. So this is a Borla stack injection system. The individual throttle bodies and fuel rails, everything comes from Borla. The intake manifold, very nice setup, great tight tolerances on all of the linkage, keeps everything in sync. Then we go ahead and we use a Holley EFI system. So the injectors, the ECU, all of the harness, everything is from Holley. Uses their HP ECU. Holley dual sync distributor for the ignition system. Again, very easy setup. Allows you to control ignition timing through the ECU. Custom set of Ford Racing ignition wires. A loom kit to keep everything nice and organized. On the front, you can see we have a Style Track system from March Performance. This is actually the black onyx finish, so it's a powder coat black with a machine 45 edge. Very sharp looking piece. This has all the accessories that come with it, so AC compressor, 140 amp chrome alternator. This is a one wire hookup. Type 2 remote power steering pump, so this requires a remote reservoir. The reservoir is included with that. Comes in either polished or black powder coat, just kind of whatever theme you're going for there. Also, this one's been upgraded with a automatic belt tensioner, another great feature for this one belt serpentine system. Also, we have the black powder coated thermostat housing from Billet Specialties. Now this is a swivel piece, so you can see you can actually customize the angle for your upper radiator hose connection. Also has the thermostat installed as well. One cool feature about this, again, this is a completely custom piece. This customer actually had us custom paint this entire engine to match his chassis on his build. So he said, hey, here's the color I'm using. He sent us the code. We had the paint mixed. We actually shoot it here. So this is an actual color matching paint scheme, clear coated. Comes out very nice. So if you're looking for a shop that can do that for you, that's definitely something that we do on a regular basis. So if you like this engine, or if you have another engine that's similar that you're looking for, please give us a call, 704-782-7170, or you can send us a message through our website at prestigemoto.com. We can offer all kinds of things: transmission packages, fuel supply systems, rear ends, anything you need for your hot rod. Give us a call at Prestige Motorsports.